Did you know one of history's most mysterious figures literally refused to die, surviving multiple assassination attempts in a single night? On December 30th, 1916, Russian mystic Grigory Rasputin was invited to Prince Felix Yusupov's palace for what he thought was a social gathering. Instead, the conspirators fed him cakes and wine laced with enough cyanide to kill 10 men. Rasputin ate everything and showed no effects whatsoever. Panicking, Yusupov shot him point blank in the chest. Rasputin collapsed, seemingly dead, but when they returned to move the body, Rasputin suddenly opened his eyes and lunged at his killer. They shot him again and beat him with clubs until he stopped moving. Finally, they threw his body through a hole in the frozen Neva River. The autopsy revealed the most chilling detail of all. Water was found in his lungs, meaning he was still breathing when he hit the water. Even his killers were terrified by his supernatural resilience, calling him unkillable. To this day, medical experts cannot explain his apparent immunity to lethal poison.